Welcome to the Cooler Reports, and we are introducing the newest products. This is split units for the walk-in systems, either freezer or refrigerator. You can choose this one. Let me take a measurement for these units first. The entire overall size this will be about like a 42.5 inches in the length. And 29.5 inches in the height. .30.5 inches in the depth. And take a measurement for the blowers right here. Its overall size will be 78 inches in the length. And 16 inches in the tall. And 12 inches in the depth. And for the units coming with the manufacturer warranty side, also have the parts. We're having the temperature box for this one. You can set up the temperature want, and the capillary tubes, and the cylinder coil kits. And this we call the TXV valves and the connection valves. And also the units come with the copper pads at the behind. One is here, and the one is behind right here at the bottom of the units. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, just let us know. Thank you.